warning temperatures in New Jersey, Morris, and Sussex. Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 2611 is in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties in New Jersey, Morris, and Sussex.